Hi guys, and welcome to this video. My name is Chris, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to create a static scroll view and a dynamic scroll view. These two things are really easy to implement, so keep on watching and I will teach you guys how to do that. So first of all, I will open up Xcode, hit create new Xcode project, then go into the single view application and then name this application for the Scrollview app and hit create. I will then go into the main.storyboard and down here I will find the scroll view. I will put the scroll view into my view controller and then make some constraints, add some constraints, and I will just add 0 all around to make it fit the view controller. I will then go down here again and just select a normal view and drag that into here, and also add constraints on this view, and that's also just going to be zeros all around. But the height, I will define the height to be 1200. So basically what this number does is that it just defines how far you're going to be able to scroll in your application. So if you put that to 2000, it will be down here somewhere and you will be able to scroll very much. But we have some issues with the width, so I will select the view, control click and drag into our main view, and then select equal widths, and that will fix it. I will then select the view controller, go into the size inspector here, and then select freedom in the simulated size and put the height to the same value as we put into our view constraint. So by now we are actually finished. So if I put a label in the top and in the middle and in the bottom, we can actually test this out and see if it works. So I will compile and run. And as you can see, we are able to scroll down from the top to the bottom. And this is how we create a static scroll view. We are also able to create a dynamic scroll view, which means that the scroll view will adjust on its own based on how much text we, for example, have in a text view or how many elements we have inside a view. So let me give an example on how we can do that by adding a scroll view into the view controller and give it the constraints of 0 all around, add 4 constraints, then put in a normal view in here and give this view the constraints of 0 all around as well. I will then adjust the view, and in my example I will add an image to this view up here, and I've actually already uploaded an image to my assets folder. So I will select that image called picture, which is this beautiful picture right here, and I will then find a text view and put that in here, and this could potentially be the description for this beautiful image if this was a potential app, but this is just an example. I will then make this fit and then give constraints on the picture and make the width and height static. I will then select the text view and also give it constraints, and then select the text view again, go into the attribute inspector and unselect the scrolling enabled. And as we see here, if we put a lot of text inside this text view, let me just copy and paste this a couple of times, press enter, and if we compile and run this app right now, we will see that our scroll view adjusts based on how much text we have in here. So here we have it, an image with a lot of text, and we can scroll up and down. So that's it for this little short video on how to implement scroll views. I hope you liked it, guys. If you did, hit the like button below, and if you have any questions to the code of the video, then of course just leave a comment. If you want to see more of me and the videos in the future, hit that sub button, and otherwise take care, and I will see you guys in the future.